What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to be checking out the cars at the Supercar Expo in Dallas, Texas. And of course we've got some nice driving scenes, driving downtown with my son, who you guys have seen in this video about him driving. He's 11 years old and he drove my Lamborghini. So if you haven't seen this video, go check it out. It's called 11-Year-Old Drives Lamborghini. I will add it to this video post. But stick around to watch the whole thing. There's some really good shots and really cool cars. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment. Kids wiping this baby down. Good job, Sarah. Manuel, you not helping?
No.
Your wife ain't helping?
You want helping?
I'm recording, so technically I am helping. Watch out, Sydney. Look at every detail in this car. This is just spectacular. This is art. Pure art. Look at that little lever right there. Even the levers on the door inside. think so. Woo! That was so good.
That was crazy.
Bro. Look at that beautiful city over there.
Yeah, beautiful city.
Hey guys, we are chilling in Dallas, Texas. Me and my handsome boy. Let me show you my handsome boy riding in the big city, the Lambo. Woo! Flex. Yeah, flex.
Oh, super
And now
epic Ford
we
Super
just need
Duty.
like a big straightaway.
For me to drop the phone again.
I'll drop the phone up. Seriously though, what's up with this?
Dallas. Hey, we're back.
We're back.
We're back.
Woo, look at this. In the city, baby.
The construction.
Cars are, look at that. What is that weird ass thing?
I don't know.
Look at it. Here's the church that Sydney was talking about.
Is this one
Hey,
it?
Sydney, there's the church.
Hey, that's the church. Oh, there's buses here?
Wait, what?
Boy, what's a bus?
Excuse me, I cannot go. There's the cop right there.
I mean, like, even though we're in Dallas, you don't really see a lot of cars around here, like,
No,
I think this is a hotel.
look at that hotel. Let's go.
Wow, super duper hotel.
Wow.
Wow.
It's a webby.
Wow.
I don't know where the hell I am.
I don't either.
Look, I'm gonna go left.
Just left.
We're gonna go left, and then look, take a video of that. That's the Dallas skyline right there, baby.
Ooh!
We're making some noise. Making some noise up in D-Town. Up in Dallas, Texas. Making some noise. Hey, we got any viewers up in there? Look at Spidey. Get Spidey.
Spidey!
Is that Spidey?
Yeah. Oh no, those are the shoes.
Oh, it looked like Spidey.
Yeah, that looked like Spider-Man down
It
there.
looked like he was hanging with his feet, right?
Yeah, it looked like he was hanging with his feet.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Damn, bro, we be having me and my son. Hey, record yourself, bro.
No,
Record yourself.
no,
It's a demand. It's a demand.
No.
Manual?
I don't like recording. No.
And,
Okay, there you go. He turned it up.
are we allowed to go or what?
We can turn right according to
No,
my.
look, this is one way right here. Thank you for sticking around and watching the whole video. I hope you liked it. I'm new to this whole YouTube thing, but I really appreciate the 10,000 plus subscribers that we've gotten here recently. So you guys are at the forefront of an awesome new channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.